Jonathan Ramesi, CEO and founder of iCache. Many congratulations on entry to the World Finance 100.
Thank you so much, Nick. We greatly appreciate this award, your recognition of our hard work and innovation and technology, and we're very pleased to accept it and to be associated with a brand like World Finance. Thank you again.
This is really a world first, something which securely stores every card in your wallet on a digital wallet, something you're calling the iCache. So was there a eureka moment where you thought of this idea?
I think it's a wonderful question. The eureka moment really was looking at all of the cards that are being issued to individuals throughout the world, whether they be credit cards, debit cards, loyalty cards, etc., and really realizing that these technologies are about 40 years old, and they haven't changed within 40 years. We just looked at there must be a better way to do this, to provide security and convenience to the consumer, and really start to build out the rest of the model that provides value to the issuing banks and to merchants. And that's where we really started with the value proposition and the design of iCache itself.
You have a prototype of the iCache with you. How does it work?
I do. iCache really takes everything, as we just mentioned, that's in your typical wallet, and this is just my travel wallet, and it takes everything and allows a consumer to digitally consolidate everything that's in that wallet, that's in the form of a magnetic stripe or chip and pin, contactless credit card, barcode, etc., to digitize all of that information through a very simple user interface, have it all stored on the iCache, and it's stored behind biometric security, so that every card on this device is tied to the consumer. As far as setup, it's very, very simple. All the technology is built into the device. A consumer plugs in through USB. They're brought through into a software package that walks them through the biometric registration, the adding of their legacy cards to the device, etc.
So the big sell for the consumer is that every card goes onto the iCache, but what's the advantage for the card issuer, a bank, for example?
Yep. On the issuer side, when we started out, we thought the #1 value proposition would be anti-fraud because of the fraud rates. And that's very important to issuing banks. But we were told along the way and learned that banks want to have a deeper, more meaningful relationship with their consumer, and they'd also like their card to be top of wallet, which is really a banking industry term, but means out of your wallet, every time you use a card, they'd like that card that's used to be theirs. And we can digitally guarantee that for the issuing bank of the iCache.
Of course, security is key to this sector. How secure is the iCache?
We've spent 4 years with probably some of the, I would consider some of the greatest security experts that have become part of our team, building the security technology into the device. This has also been built to world industry credit card security standards. We actually exceed them, and have built in a lot of other features to prevent any type of security breaches within the device.
Now, potentially, what markets do you see for the iCache?
The iCache, our first market really is the consolidation of the wallet itself. And our go-to-market strategy is through the major card issuers and banks. That way, we're delivering value to consumers, and we're also solving issues that the banks have right now. Really, the third leg of the stool is that we're also providing merchants with greater confidence in that when they receive an iCache transaction, they know it's secure, and that's online or at brick and mortar.
Of course, universality is a big plus for the customer. They like to be able to use their cards anywhere in the world, and that's not always the case for chip and pin or for contactless cards. What about the iCache?
In building the iCache digital wallet, we've decided to make it universal. The iCache digital wallet contains contactless capabilities, chip and pin capabilities, regular mag stripe capabilities, universal barcode capabilities, and the ability to transact securely online. So instead of just building different digital wallets for different parts of the world, we've decided to make this universal so that the consumer can use the iCache anywhere in the world tomorrow.
This is the result of 4 years of development and work on your part. What's the potential long-term for the project?
This technology can be transferred to the mobile phone. Actually, the fraud rates on mobile banking are higher than those of online and brick and mortar combined. And it's a change in consumer behavior to pay with your phone. And finally, and most importantly, mobile phones work with technology which is not available at point of sale right now. So our strategy is to bridge the gap with the iCache digital wallet, and eventually port it over to the mobile phone.
Jonathan Romesi, thank you.
Thank you so much, Howell. It's been a real pleasure. Thank you.